Organize cables with toilet paper rolls. Collect empty toilet paper rolls. Bundle each cable and insert it into a roll. Label the rolls with the type of cable they will hold. Place the labeled rolls in a box or drawer for easy access. DIY flower vase from a bamboo spoon. Clean the bamboo spoon and dry it thoroughly. Use the hot glue gun to attach the small tube to the inner part of the spoon's bowl. This will hold water for the flowers. Fill the tube with a small amount of water and place your flowers inside. Your bamboo spoon flower vase is now ready to display. Lifehack cable TV signals with cans of soda. Lifehacking cable TV signals with soda cans involves converting the cans into improvised antennas to boost reception. By cutting and positioning the cans correctly, their metal surface can enhance signal strength, offering a simple, cost-effective solution for clearer TV viewing. DIY making flowers from fabric. DIY fabric flowers involve crafting floral designs using various fabrics, adding a creative touch to home decor or accessories. This easy, versatile project allows for endless customization and personal expression. DIY flower from ice cream sticks. Take 5 to 7 ice cream sticks and cut them using scissors. Use the glue gun or strong craft glue to attach the ends where they overlap. Start by painting your ice cream sticks in your desired colors. Cut out leaf shapes from the green construction paper, attach the leaves to the stem using glue. You can add a decorative center to your flower using beads, buttons, or by painting a small circle in the middle. Your ice cream stick's flower is now ready to display. DIY easy hoop earrings. Cut a piece of wire to your desired hoop size, leaving an extra inch for the clasp. Use round nose pliers to create a small loop at one end of the wire. Shape the wire into a circular hoop, adjusting for evenness. Create a hook at the other end of the wire to latch into the small loop. Attach the earring hook to the small loop. DIY nanotape pink water balloon. Cut a piece of pink nanotape to the desired length, ensuring it's clean and free of dust or debris for better adhesion. Press one end of the nanotape firmly onto the surface of the water balloon, ensuring it adheres securely without wrinkles or air bubbles. Wrap the nanotape around the balloon, applying gentle pressure to ensure it adheres evenly. Avoid stretching the tape excessively, as it might reduce its effectiveness. Once attached, gently test the adhesion by lifting the balloon slightly. If properly secured, the nanotape should hold the balloon in place. Adjust as needed for better adherence. DIY amazing reuse craft ideas. Draw and cut out a peacock body shape from cardboard. Draw and cut out a series of feather shapes. Paint or color the peacock body and feathers as desired. Glue the feathers to the back of the peacock body, fanning them out. Optionally, attach real or craft feathers for added texture.